Welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, we'll learn about integration testing, what it is, why it's needed, and the different types of integration testing used in real projects. Integration testing is part of black box testing. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick recall of where it fits. Integration testing verifies that different modules of an application communicate properly after unit testing. It focuses on data flow, interfaces, and interactions between components. Let's understand integration testing with a simple Gmail example. First, the Compose feature is integrated with Sent Items. Next, Inbox is connected with Starred. Finally, Sent Items is integrated with Bin to handle deleted emails. This shows how individual modules are tested together step by step. Even if individual modules work fine, issues can occur when they are combined. Integration testing helps catch these problems early. There are two main types of integration testing: incremental and non-incremental. In incremental integration testing, modules are added gradually and tested as they are integrated. This makes it easier to find defects. For example, first we test the register module, then integrate and test login, next connect it with home, and finally integrate Compose, verifying each connection before moving to the next. Incremental integration testing is further divided into top-down and bottom-up and sandwich approaches. In top-down integration testing, testing starts from the top-level modules and moves downwards. Stub modules are used to simulate lower-level components. In bottom-up integration testing, testing starts with lower-level modules and progresses upward. Driver programs are used to simulate higher-level modules. If you are doing top-down and bottom-up integration testing together, then it is called as sandwich testing. In non-incremental integration testing, also known as Big Bang testing, all modules are integrated at once. This approach makes defect isolation difficult. Incremental testing is more structured and easier to debug, while non-incremental testing is faster but riskier. To summarize, integration testing ensures that combined modules work smoothly together. In our next video, we'll deep dive into system testing. Thanks for watching.